Hey there, Pack Sisters. Coach Jillie here coming at you with this. You are more than enough right now. You're worthy of celebration. And you're worthy of feeling good in your mind, body, and life exactly as you are right now. And me being a 99 Walks coach, this is one of the greatest honors of my life, and here's why. I get to walk with you step by step, side by side, as you prioritize yourself and put yourself first, and that inspires each and every one of us and gives us permission to do the same. You matter that much. And so every single class that I teach, I want you to feel supported. I want you to feel celebrated. I want you to feel worthy of feeling good in your body and life and mind right now. Because we are reminding each other of our power. We're reminding each other of our why. And we're reminding each other that we get to prioritize ourselves in our life and how important that is. So here is to walking towards the woman that we're always meant to be. And let me tell you something. The coolest part about that is you are already her, and I'm here to remind you of that. So let's stop waiting. And together we're walking towards that woman